Hey guys, it's Diane Mary, and I have my favorite products for the month of February 2018. February went pretty quick, especially compared to January, but I have skincare, makeup, hair care, shirts, snacks, all the good stuff in here. So anything that I have videos or other blog posts or links for, I will post them all below. The first thing isn't like I can't put it in here. It's the workout program I'm doing. It's called 80 Day Obsession by Beachbody, and I just hit the halfway point past the 40-day mark. And this program is making me work out so intense where I have to wash my hair 3 times a week instead of 2 times a week, which is a little inconvenient, but I also want to be really skinny, fit, and toned for my wedding, so you gotta give and take. So I don't think it's a beginner program, but if you really want to push yourself and see results fast, definitely check it out. So one of the things, well, I'm just gonna get right to it. This is a shirt. If you don't know, I am an ambassador for the brand called SandCloud. I'll post information below. I also have a 25% discount code. SandCloud. It is a non-profit charity that any purchase you get, they have shirts, towels, water bottles. It goes to help marine life and the ocean and animals. And this shirt I got, this is one of the long sleeve shirts, really cute. You may have seen it on my Instagram with a polar bear on a little iceberg, and I'm obsessed with like all different types of bears and the color blue, so I just had to have this. It's really comfy too, and it's kind of relaxed fitting, which I like. The other shirt I got that I just wanted to show you guys because I'm really excited about it. This is a shirt I've been eyeing at the store BoxLunch forever. And BoxLunch, it's actually owned by Hot Topic brands, and anything you buy in there, they give back to charity. I think they feed people in need. But this was a shirt that has 2 of my favorite childhood TV shows like merged into one. So this is it. We got Power Rangers, but if you ever watched the TV show Friends, from that was on TV, the sitcom, there's a very famous picture of the Friends all sitting with the milkshakes, with the Friends lettering. It says Rangers. Had to have it really comfy, and even though they left my favorite Power Ranger off of this, Tommy the Green Ranger with the long hair, kind of ironic. I used to have a big crush on Tommy with the long hair, but anyway, they left him off, but that's okay because I love the shirt anyway, and I paid half price for it, thanks coupons and sales. So moving on, got some snacks. So the first snack is trying to stay healthy. Actually, these are all pretty healthy. So just these Emerald 100 calorie packs of nuts, walnuts, I almost said Walmart, walnuts, almonds, and cherries. So there's a little sweet in there. The nuts give the healthy fat. I like that they're portion controlled, so I know one package is 100 calories. So they're good. I like these between my lunch and dinner if I get a little hungry, so really convenient. Another snack, Tommy, my fiance, actually brought these home for me from Quick Check. So these are amazing. These are by this place called Sonoma Creamery. The Cheddar Crisps Crunchy Real Cheese Snacks. There's 10 grams of protein per serving with organic quinoa. Amazon has these too, and I actually put them in my Amazon store. So I have an Amazon store now with all my favorite things. So if you want to check them out on Amazon, it gives me a little commission to help me, which would be really awesome and appreciative. I'll put it back towards my channel. But yeah, these 6 chips are 150 calories, 10 grams of protein, 6 carbohydrates, and they're cheesy. They're a little salty, although the sodium is 260 milligrams. They're delicious, they're crunchy, and we both really like them. They're very addicting. And the last snack, which is really amazing, Amazon actually has a sale on these right now, and these are in my Amazon store as well, is this pack of Lollipops. The pack comes with 3 packs of these, this size, and these are called Zollipops. And I like these because I do have a sweet tooth. I like something sweet after dinner. Each lollipop is only 10 calories. So you could have one like after every meal, and that'll be only 30 calories, but it gets better than that. These Lollipops actually help clean your teeth. Like, how does a candy help clean your teeth? That's crazy. So they're sugar-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, dairy-free, natural flavors and colors. I mean, obviously I'm not like dairy-free or anything. I just showed you how much I love a cheese snack, but just in case you are, it's a great option for you. They come in really good flavors: strawberry, grape, orange, pineapple, raspberry, cherry. And the sugars in here, it's not artificial sugar, it's not bad sugar, it's just stevia, smile-friendly ingredients. So again, these are my Amazon store if you want to check them out. They are on special for a couple more days, I think, so really yummy. So now moving on to everything else. This can't be a favorite yet because I've only used it one time, but I just want to show it to you. Recently, QVC had a today's special value on the Hairmax laser comb, and this is an FDA approved device for hair loss. I talked with my mom because female hair loss is genetic in our family, and it kind of sucks. So like, she's experienced it. She's older than me, obviously. She's my mother. It's like not divine intervention or anything, but so she's older than me. She's experienced worse than I have. I do feel like my hair is thinning a little bit, probably because of stress and stuff, so I want to prevent it. Today's special value, low price, plus the easy payment plans made it affordable for us to get. Use this 3 times a week for 11 minutes each time. It's a laser. You just could go across your hair while watching TV. It beeps, so it tells you when to move. So I'll keep you updated on results. You might not see results for 6 months, so you might not see an update right away, but I used it yesterday for the first time and I didn't experience anything negative. So if it could help grow my hair faster, thicker, healthier, it's FDA approved. There's all sorts of great things. You could Google it. That would be great. Moving on, so I've talked about Belvoir before, and this is like one of my favorite brands. They make hair masks, hair teas like what I have here, face masks, body scrubs. You could customize it with ingredients. I'm holding my customized hair growth tea that I use every single week, and I think this is also helping me with shedding, helping my hair look its absolute best. And I actually became an ambassador for the brand, which is really exciting. I'm going to be doing a lot more content with them, and I also have my unique promo code. If you shop through the link, then I get some points for it too. You guys can wind up saving stuff, and really great. So just stay tuned. I'm going to have more Belvoir content, but this hair tea I've been using every week religiously for months now, and I really like the effects. I feel like my curl pattern's tightening, I'm shedding less, it's shinier, really healthy, awesome stuff. So moving on, my nails are actually painted, which happens almost never. Out of everything in the whole like beauty atmosphere, my nails are like my worst thing I keep up with, but I saw these at Sephora, had to have them. Nails Inc. came out with a Mermaid collection. How cute is this packaging that I'm probably never going to throw out? But I have on this color here, which is called Mermaid Parade, and I just really like it. Last year they did a similar 2-pack with a unicorn collection that was really pretty, and not only did I like the color, but the formula doesn't chip in 2 seconds, which usually happens to me with nail polish, so that's why I'm wearing those. So next, something I really enjoyed for 2nd and 3rd day hair that I want to do a dedicated video to, and I'm going to real soon. Just using hair jellies on dry hair, I've noticed has helped with frizz, helped definition, helped kind of calm my hair if my hair kind of goes crazy. But these have been 2 favorites I've been applying: the Up North Naturals 8 Oil Defining Jelly and the Curlsmith Styling Souffle. Really great day 2 products I've grown to love. So there were those. Next, just the brand Raw Curls in general. Like, I love them. And then, you know, like when you love a brand and then you kind of test new things and then you try them again, you're like, why did I ever stop using them? Like, why didn't I use them as much? It's kind of what's happened to me with them. 2 standout products. The Raw Curls Firm Hold Gel for curly hair. This is my current favorite gel across the board. This has been like the only gel I've been reaching for like the past few washes, and people even in my real life that don't really pay attention to all the stuff like that I do with my curly blogging and stuff, like, wow, your hair looks so soft, it looks so much better than usual. So definitely think that this gel has to do with it. Then also this the anti-frizz spray, which I've talked about so much. This is such a holy grail product for me. I spray it on wet hair. You could use it as a hair refresher on dry hair, and it just helps any pesky frizz. Well, this is day 1 hair. My roots may be slightly damp still, but I feel like I really have very minimal frizz. And I've used that stuff on Briogeo, which is a good segue to get into the Briogeo stuff that I have in my bag as favorites. This is another line that I love this brand so much. I wish they would do a firm hold gel too, but this Briogeo, the Don't Despair Repair, the mask, if I had to recommend one hair mask to you guys, if I only could use one hair mask for the rest of my life, it would be this right here. It's just one mask with the most perfect protein moisture ratio. Makes my hair shiny, makes my hair look healthy. I feel like it defines my curls too, because it's adding back everything that I need. It's so good, but I've been using it once a week now religiously with the 2 other products that they recently came out with in this line. And I know I said in the video when I reviewed this stuff, which I'll post below, that I would give you guys an update. The Briogeo, the Super Moisture Shampoo, is like a cleanser and a hair mask in one. I didn't know it was possible for me to love a shampoo as much as I love this shampoo. Never mind the fact that it comes in a pump, which is absolutely amazing on its own. It just cleanses my hair, leaves it moisturized, leaves it ready for everything else, detangles it even, which is really weird for a shampoo, not a co-wash. By the way, Briogeo's co-wash is also really good. I just haven't had it in a while and I really need to pick some more up. which is a really great shampoo. And then the leave-in, the Strength and Moisture leave-in mask. This is a spray. I spray it as soon as I get out of the shower. It's my first step. I use this, and then I do go in with the Raw Curls conditioner now on top of it, just because my hair really likes a lot of leave-in conditioner, and if I were to use this alone, I think I'd wind up needing to use too much. But adding this in, it's one extra step, and I feel like it's helping my front hairline pieces and my ends so much, because if you guys recall, my front hairline pieces usually drive me crazy, but using this consistently after every wash, I actually feel like it's helping them, which is really awesome. And by the way, guys, if you do want to try anything by Briogeo, I have a 15% off code, or it's like a link. If you go through the link, you save the money. We'll be posting that below, so be sure to check that out. Moving on, by the brand Curls, this is the Blueberry Mint Tea Scalp Treatment. I use this scalp treatment every single night on my scalp. That's not a word. On my scalp, just for added hair growth and scalp health, and I use about 1 dropper for my whole head, massage it in, and it smells minty, and it's really nice. And I try to include stuff in here that I use every day that sometimes I think I forget to talk about too much, which I really should. So the next thing, skincare. Diane, I mean, her whole skincare line has like changed my face for the better. I just did my month 2 update. If you didn't see, I'll post it below. This is her retinol. This is a vitamin A serum, and this is one of the best retinols I ever used. I feel it's more gentle, although I did start off using it every 3rd night and then gradually increased every 2nd night till every night. But I tapped it in, and I feel like it's giving my skin such like a smooth, almost like porcelain doll like complexion that I just absolutely adore it. And that's use it at night only. Next, I have 2 more hair products in here, and then makeup. So this is a pre-poop treatment by The Main Choice. This came in the kit I reviewed, the hair restoration kit from Walgreens. I'll post that below. This is the Mocha and Molasses anti-shedding remedy pre-poop treatment. It was a small container. I only got 3 uses out of it, but it smelled so good, and I think it actually did even help with shedding. Of course, I'm using the Briogeo and everything else to help anti-shedding too, but I really like the way it made my hair feel even when I rinsed it in the shower, so I hope they make a big size of this. So moving on, this is another product, a hair product by SheaMoisture. I just reviewed a few of the new products that came out for 2018. Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm. This is such a unique product. It's a very thick consistency, and you can see I've really been digging in there. I take a little bit, I emulsify it in my hands, and I rub it on my split ends. I could use it on wet hair or dry hair. I did the video review and a demo, so I'll post that below for more information, but this is actually a moisture product I've really been enjoying. So let's do makeup. I'm trying to get through this quickly. Doll 10 HydraLux Smoothing Foundation, and I know I've talked about this before, but I've been reaching for this foundation seriously almost every single day, just because I love the finish. I love that it has skincare inside. I love that it wears all day. It feels light on my skin. It's buildable coverage. I just can't recommend this foundation enough, and it comes in a pump. I use shade Fair in this, so they do run slightly dark, and Fair just works perfect for me. Love it, and most of the time it's been what I've been wearing. Also by Doll 10, we have the Archmaster Brow Pencil. What I like about this is it's 3-in-1. It has a pencil when I want a pencil, has a little powder. I just did a review on this too, I'll post. And it also has a hair mascara, so if you're in a rush, you could just like comb it through really quickly. That's what I did today, and lasts all day too. Really like it. Another product, this is Laura Geller. This is an old product I rediscovered. Balance and Brighten Foundation. I use the shade Porcelain, which is, I think this is the lightest shade they have. I've been using this as a finishing powder. It adds a little extra coverage mattifies my skin, but doesn't over mattify it. My skin still looks like skin, so rediscovered it. I'm like, oh yeah, I really like that product. This is the primer I really like that I picked up from Sephora. This is the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. Smoothing, rosehip, and argan oil pore perfecting. Another one in a pump, but this kind of helps mattify my skin and blurs everything and gets it ready for the makeup on top, and I've just really been enjoying it. So I wanted to show my favorite mascara ever. This is my holy grail, my favorite mascara. If I could only use one mascara the rest of my life, this is the Laura Geller Lash Boss Mascara. I love it. I need more. I'm waiting for QVC to do a duo or have some type of sale to pick more of those up. And we got more makeup products in here, so let's take them out. So this is another oldie but goodie. I've been going through my makeup drawers and trying to use up what I have and rediscover old favorites. This is a palette by It Cosmetics that I don't see that it gets a lot of love, which it should because it's amazing. I actually think they might have redesigned the cover. But this is a disc. When you open it, mirror fingerprints on it, and it has a matte bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush. Have all of them on today. Really like to contour with the matte bronzer. The highlight is really pretty because it's not overdone, and the blush, it stains, it lasts all day. So I did check that it is still on the website, so at least it's not discontinued. Next we have I had another one of these up here that I left it in the bag. Colourpop just released the Luxe lipsticks, which is their first bullet style lipstick, which is my favorite type of lipsticks to apply. Picked up a couple of them. My best friend let me swatch hers too. I'll post that blog post below, and I really like these. Are pigmented, buttery, and long lasting. I have, which one did I put on today? I have this one on today, which is called Humble Pie. Really pretty, really pink, and they're like $7 each. They're really affordable. Also by Colourpop, I got these glosses. What are these called? Glossy Lips. Can't really read these. My Forte and Finesse. I put this lip gloss on over the lipstick. Pretty glittery, not sticky. They're like $5 each. Finally, the other thing I wanted to show you with my mascara. This is my other holy grail for my lashes. The Grande Primer. It's white. You put it on under any mascara, and it makes your lashes thicker and longer. And it also has peptides and stuff to help your lashes. So yeah. This video is long enough. These are my favorites for this month. What are products you've been loving? Let me know. If you subscribe, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed and you want to subscribe, that would be cool. A thumbs up would be awesome as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.